Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install REKA game on your PC. Guys, first you just need to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam, and the Steam website will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on the login option and here just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create one and then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and just click on the top search box and just type here the REKA, and this game will appear on the top, so you just need to click on that game. And here in this page just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart. So guys, you just need to click on that option of add to cart, and here just click on the view my cart option, and then you will see the option of continue to payment. So you just need to click on that option of continue to payment, and here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Then click on the library option, and on the left hand side you will find the game which is the REKA. Click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.